This is my story of my ongoing Electrolux customer service problem. Last year, I noticed that the refrigerator door gaskets were cracked and ripped. I called Electrolux to order 3 new ones. Eventually, they all arrived and they were all installed. The next morning, the interior of the fridge and freezer had humidity running down the walls. It was obvious that these were the wrong gaskets. If you noticed, they were even the wrong color. I made many phone calls to Electrolux parts department and spoke to many representatives detailing the problem. It was confirmed by a representative that they were the wrong gaskets. I was advised not to send them back because we installed them and they are no longer considered new. At that time, I was advised a refund in the amount of $328.09 would be processed. Fast forward a few months later, I noticed that I did not receive my refund. This prompted more calls to Electrolux as well as to my credit card company, Santander MasterCard. The bank urged me to file a dispute. A few weeks later, Electrolux refused the dispute. I called Electrolux again and was advised that Chase Bank processed the chargeback. We do not have anything with Chase Bank. So now, did someone else get our refund? Did our card information go to someone else? All I know is that I have 3 unusable refrigerator gaskets and no refund.